Alright, we made it back home. We survived Iowa.
We made it!
Can't wait to take this mask off. Elvis. Oh, you're not Anna.
Nope.
What are you baking?
I'm making milk bread.
Whoa.
Isn't it crazy? It looks like a butt. Big butt. Big butt. A big butt. It's a really big butt.
What's up, Anna?
Hmm?
Huh? What?
What?
Can you hear me? Hello?
What's the glossiest butt? That's the glossiest.
Can we just call it bread first? Like,
Okay.
With this whole time we haven't mentioned that it's actually bread.
No.
It's a
It's
bread.
actually a little toasting thing. We're in the middle.
Like Hello Kitty?
Yeah.